what happened during this study, constantly thinking about them or talking to people like Ramankutty or Rajagopalan, people like that, I found that the common understanding of Ayurvedic research is herbal drugs everywhere, that herbal drugs. So the Ayurvedic research is herbal drugs research, which is not at all true. Herbal drugs are an important part of Ayurveda, but there is so much more in Ayurveda. That is not at all being studied. Partly because of this preoccupation with herbal drugs. Partly because we didn't have the means, modern biology didn't exist, so you couldn't investigate many of these concepts. That has changed in the last 30, 40 years.
Yes.
So I thought here is a chance to do something. That's where in 2005 I was giving a lecture in Banaras, Indian Academy of Sciences annual meeting. There I mentioned some of these very interesting concepts. For example, question of samya, equilibrium. That is a constant internal environment, something very similar to our
Modern
value
constant theory,
very similar to that. Now that itself, there is a whole lot of subject for study in that. Because if there is a Vaishamya, it always comes back to Samya. There is a natural, spontaneous return to normalcy. So many of these concepts which are extremely important, dosha prakriti for example, many of these can be investigated today.